Okay, so you're stuck at home and you're bored and you want a snack. I have a little hack for you. Look, on Facebook there's a special feature right there. For example, Oreo. Look, shake like this. You can get one Oreo to come right out. Look, watch. 1, 2, just like this. Look, an actual Oreo come right out from this. Now there's one more hack. If you heat it up, you're gonna actually split into 2. Watch. Just pull like this. You see how it's stretched? And now there's 2 Oreos. There's 1 and there's 2 right there, and we have a bunch over here for you guys.
打火机借一下。
哦，
老师你干嘛？Oreo，谢谢老师，不客气啦。哎，自己一个人吃哦，仔细看，视觉冲击来了。哦，哇，谢谢老师，我就不客气了。